In this short video, I'll show you how to withdraw Solana from Binance to your Metamask wallet. Currently, I'm logged into my Binance account and I have a certain amount of Solana in my balance. My goal is to withdraw it to Metamask, so what steps should I take? To do this, I click the withdraw button and select the cryptocurrency I want to withdraw, in this case, Solana. Now, I need to decide where I want to withdraw my Solana. I require an address, which I will obtain from Metamask. I open my Metamask wallet and then switch over to the Solana network. I can easily locate it within the provided list. Solana. After that, I will proceed to copy my Solana wallet address. I'll head back over to Binance now and paste in the address that I had just copied. It's important to select the Solana network. It was selected automatically here, but if it wasn't, you can choose the Solana network yourself. Next, I specify the amount of Solana I want to withdraw. In this particular instance, I will click on the max button in order to withdraw all of the Solana that I currently possess, and then proceed to click the withdraw button. Next, you will complete the usual security procedures to finalize your Solana withdrawal. Then, after a brief period, which varies based on network speed, your Solana will show up in your Metamask wallet. That's all there is to it. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment under this video.